So first what you're going to do is add 1 1/4 cups of flour. Then 2 tablespoons of sugar. A 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and mix. Add the mix and 7 tablespoons of butter into a food processor and mix it on the pulse setting. The texture should look like this. Then add at least 3 tablespoons of cold water into the mix and knead it together. Toss it gently a few times. When you can form it into a ball, it's about ready. Then separate it into 2 balls and flatten them into thick discs. Wrap in plastic wrap. Chill for several hours. Take out of the fridge and roll them together. You want to roll until it can cover your pan. Make sure the sides are covered pretty evenly. After you're done, add parchment paper and fill it with pie weights or dry beans. Put it in the oven for 15 minutes. When it's done, take the parchment paper and beans or weights out and put it back in for 5 minutes. Then take it out and let it cool. Now for the filling, you need to collect all your ingredients. The first step is to mix together a 1/4 cup sour cream and 8 tablespoons butter over boiling water. Then in a separate bowl, mix together 3 egg yolks, 2 eggs, and 2/3 cup sugar over boiling water. Then add 2/3 cup of lemon juice to that mix. Stir over boiling water for 3 minutes. Finally, mix both mixtures together and add 4 teaspoons of lemon zest. Stir for 3 minutes. Then pour the filling into the crust. Put it in the oven and let it bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Take it out, let it cool, and enjoy.